Hello people, welcome or welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope that you all are doing absolutely amazing. I've already came up with a planner for single group students as well as both group students. I hope that you have already watched that video and started preparing for your examinations. Now this video is dedicated for the first round of revision for taxation. So where I'll help you to plan this subject revision in just 8 to 10 days. So what you are going to do is you are going to start with direct text, and on day number 1 you are going to complete with basic concepts, residential status and scope of total income, as well as you are going to move on to the small chapters that will be clubbing and sit off. Okay. So on day number 1 you are going to complete with the basics, residential status as well as clubbing and sit off. Then on day number 2 you can complete with the deductions portion or the remaining portion of this chapter, as well as you have to complete these two chapters, that means advanced tax TDS TCS as well as provisions for filing of return of income. Then on day number 3 what you are going to do is you are going to start with salaries and income from house property. After you are completed with it, you are going to complete PGPP on day number 4, and then capital gains and income from other sources on day number 5, as well as you can also complete the remaining portion of PGPP on day number 5. And after you are done with all this, on day number 5 itself, you have to pick a total income question. Now here I have option for the two category of students. Like if you are a student who is only giving group 1, you can also give one more day to this. But if you are a student who is preparing for both the groups, then try to complete this whole DT in 5 days itself. Okay. Otherwise, what will happen? You will not have time for other revisions. That is why it is important that you have to study in a time-based manner by setting the deadlines. So, a minimum of 5 days will be required to complete the syllabus of DT. Now, after you are done with this, you will have 3 days remaining for IDT in case you are planning to complete the subject in just 8 days. And if you are planning to complete the subject in 10 days, then you will be left with 5 number of days. Now, how you are going to plan GST portion in this? You can do GST laws, levy and collection of GST, as well as this classification of place of supply and time of supply on day number uh, you know 6th only, right? Then on day number 7 what you are going to do is on day number 7 you are going to complete with value of supply as well as registration, tax invoice, credit and debit notes, accounts and records, as well as payment of taxes. So this all should be done by day number 7. Now here also I will give you one more option, like since tax invoice and time of supply are related. So what you can do is on day number 6 you can complete with classification, place of supply and value of supply, and then on day number 7 you can complete with registration, tax invoice, accounts and records, payment of taxes, as well as time of supply. Okay, then on day number 8 what you're going to do is on day number 8 you're going to complete with ITC, and after you will be done with ITC, now the computation of GST liability questions can be easily solved, and you can do this returns chapter also on day number 8. So this I have given you the strategy for 3 days. Now if you are planning to complete the subject in 10 days, so you can give 2 more days to the remaining portion, or you can slow down your speed in these topics. So this is how you can complete your full direct text revision in just 8 days. And in case you are a single group student, you can also stretch this strategy to 10 days. And in this way, you will be able to complete 100% of syllabus. Okay. So I'm going to bring similar videos for the remaining subjects also. That means the group 2 subjects also. And then I'll bring videos for second round of revisions. And this is how I'm going to help you in this journey. Also, if you find that my videos are helpful, then please do let me know through the comment section, and please share my videos to your friends so that they can also get benefited and plan accordingly. All the very best for your examinations. Please अच्छे से पढ़ो, and जो भी कुछ अगर help चाहिए हो then do let me know. Thank you so much for listening.